दस कितनी तारीफां चाहिदियां तैनू होर दस कितनी तारीफां चाहिदियां तैनू होर दस कितनी तारीफां चाहिदियां तैनू.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing this look using Perception palette from Colourpop Cosmetics. So I'm going to take this color Culture as my transition shade on my crease. And going to take this color Revenge from the palette and going to put this on the outer V, then going to blend it out together so we have two wash of gradient colors. And going to take this color Played Out and going to apply this also on the outer V, then going to blending it out in a circular motion, windshield wiper kind of motion. So yeah, I'm going to take some concealer with this elf concealer brush and going to carve out my crease as a winged effect. So I'm going to take this color Unbothered and going to apply this on the inner corners of my eyes. And going to take this color Spoil the Tea and going to apply this on the middle part of my lid and going to apply the dark brown color on the outer V and going to apply the Unbothered color as my brow bone color. And going to take this Cover FX blurring primer and going to prime my face with it. I'm going to take some illegal orange corrector and going to correct underneath my eyes and mouth area and going to use this Hourglass Vanish stick foundation and going to apply this on my face and going to buff it out using this buffing brush. And going to take this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and Colourpop No Filter Concealer and going to apply this on my under eyes on the highest points of my face and going to blend it out using this Wonder 2 Cosmetics oval brush. And going to take some Laura Mercier translucent powder and going to set my under eyes area and going to also set my T-zone and going to take this Pure Cosmetics Sculptor palette and going to take this top left color as my contour shade. And going to take this Tarte Cosmetics Party Blush and going to apply this on my apples of my cheeks and going to take this Makeup Shayla's collab again, the highlighter Boomin, and going to apply this on the cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose and on the forehead a little bit. And going to apply this Dodo lashes in D307 off camera and going to smoke out my lower lash line with the color Played Out Spill the Tea on my lower lash line and going to use the lipstick from also her collection called Quickie. So yeah, that is it for the video. Hope you guys really enjoyed this. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, I will see you guys on my next tutorial. Bye.